Hello again, Miss Kristen here. Working on some more example problems. I hope these are helpful. What we've got here is I've got two lines that have crossed at an intersection. So remember, the point at which two lines cross is called an intersection. They're intersecting at a point. When that happens, the opposite angles are equal. So whatever angle this is, if we'll just say this is 25 degrees, this side will be 25 degrees. The same goes for the top and for the bottom. So we know that two vertical angles are equal, just like we know on segments. If I tell you two segments are equal, that they're equal, so we're going to set these up the same way. So we've got 6y minus 16 is equal to 4y plus 6. I'm going to take the 4 over because I want the smaller number to take over so I don't have to deal with negatives. I'm going to subtract 4y from both sides. Now I have 2y minus 16 equals 6. Now I'll add 16 to both sides. So I have 2y is equal to 22. Divide both sides by 2. Y equals 11. Alright, so going back through this, I know both sides are equal because I know the vertical angles because it's just two lines intersecting right here. Alright, that intersecting point, that intersection. I'm going to set these equal to each other right here. So they're equal. Combine like terms. Subtract the 4y from this side. So now I have 2y. Bring down my 16 and my 6. Add 16 to both sides. 6 plus 16 is 22. Divide by 2 on both sides. 22 divided by 2 is 11. So now I know my y is 11. So I can take either angle. So I'll take 4 times 11 plus 6. So I've just taken this equation and I've written it down here. And I've already put in my y. 4 times 11 is 44. Plus 6 is 50. So I know this angle is 50 degrees. Now because I know they're vertical angles, I also know that this side is 50 degrees, but I can double check it with the math just to make sure. So now I'll take 6 times 11 minus 16. 6 times 11 is 66. 66 minus 16 is equal to 50. So I definitely know this side is also 50 degrees. Now, another question that I could possibly ask on the quiz tomorrow is, what are the adjacent sides? Remember, an adjacent angle, right here, adjacent, this is the adjacent line or side, making this or this an adjacent angle to either one. So if I want this, let's just say I want this, the rest of this doesn't matter at all. Right, so I have my straight line right here. A straight line is always 180 degrees, 100% all the time. A straight line is 180 degrees. Well, I know this is 50, so I need to know what this side is here. I need to know what this degree is. So I take 180 minus 50, and that'll tell me that the other side is 130 degrees. So now I can use this and write in 130 degrees. If this is 130 degrees, this side's 130 degrees. And that's all there is to it. Okay? So I solved for y. I plugged y back in to find both sides. Made sure they were both the same, so I didn't mess up on my math anywhere. And then I found the adjacent angle, also known as a supplementary angle. Supplementary meaning 180 degrees along my straight line. A straight line being 180 degrees. So I take 180 minus my known degree, which is 50, or my known angle. That gives me 130. these two are also adjacent, or these two are also vertical angles, just like these two were. So if this is 130, then this is 130. Okay? And that's all for this video. See you guys tomorrow.